Hey guys, it's Fonzie with DipYourCar.com, and today it's time for another one of our famous Mad Scientist Dip videos. Now, if you're new to the channel, here's how Mad Scientist Dips work. We go onto the DYC Facebook community group and we put up a poll. And usually that poll has about 10 different products in it, different colors, different components, and we let everybody vote. Now you vote for the one that you want to see in the mixture, and the top two highest voted components get mixed together 50-50, no previous testing, and we shoot them on a car. However it turns out, it turns out. It can get a little bit risky, but we have uncovered some beautiful colors completely by accident doing these types of experiments. Now, we just finished the poll and it came down to the wire. The top three components were all one vote apart from each other, but the winners were Force Teal Performance Series and Amethyst Performance Series. I have no idea what this is going to look like, but I'm actually really excited to see how this one turns out. Let's jump right in. All right guys, the job is complete, and I gotta be honest, it came out pretty damn sweet. So you take Amethyst, which is like a super deep bluish purple, and then you take Force Teal, which is obviously just a nice strong teal. You put them together. I was hoping we weren't gonna get like a lilac purple, and we didn't. We got a pretty damn sweet blue. Now, whether or not you guys are gonna like the blue comes down to what you're looking for in a blue. It's a metallic mid-tone blue, but what's important is it's a different blue than any other blue that we have. You can't make this blue unless you put these two products together, and we would never have put these two products together if it wasn't for the Mad Scientist dips, and there is the magic of the whole thing. Now, if you want to dip your entire car, it's super simple. Just click right up here. It'll bring you to all of our Pro Car kits. There are tons of colors to choose from, and it's really simple. You just click whatever color you want, and then whatever size you want for your vehicle, and the kit includes everything you need. But if you need help, email us CustomerService@DipYourCar.com, or even faster, chat with us directly on the website, or you can go to dycuniversity.com where you can learn a ton of stuff. There's just lots of things there for you guys to learn and explore. Now let's go outside, check out the car. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's Fonzie. I'll see you on the next one.